My dear students, welcome to the new lecture of TCP/IP protocol suite. In the previous lectures, we have came to know about the OSI model. That was a model, but TCP/IP protocol suite basically an internet model, and that has been defined with four categories or functions. Okay, four categories or functions that must be occur with the communications to be successful. And for the TCP/IP protocol suite was developed prior to the OSI model. So TCP/IP protocol suite commonly used in the internet model. So it's so this internet model and IP, that means internet protocol, is attached to this name. Basically, the TCP means transmission control protocol. Okay, this so the protocol is basically a set of rules that how a network will govern, how the transmission will govern through by a network. Okay, the network administration, right? So so that's gonna be the thing. So this TCP/IP protocol should do not match exactly with those in the OSI model, because in the OSI model we came to know about 7 layers, but here we will go through to just 4 layers. Okay, because it's a 4-layer system TCP/IP protocol suite. Now this is the 4 layers, and they are and basically they are applications. So in previously, when we learn about the OSI layer, there are 2 layers underneath or in the base of the layer. Layer 1, layer 2 are the physical layer and data link layer, and there is a network layer, right? So the physical and data link layer has been combined in this TCP/IP model, and that has been known as a network access. First of all, we have to get through to access from our personal computer, tablet, or any kind of host networks, or you can say the host connections are has to be established. So that controls the hardware devices and media that make up the network. So the hardwares, that means you use the modem, you use the router, you use your computer. So these type of things are on the network access layers, and after that you will go through to the internet layer. That is the gateway between you want to searching for a connection and desired connection to your destination addresses. So that determines the best path through the network. So which path will be important, which part will be very much essential and very much reliable to find out with a desired connection. And the third layer is the transport layer. Okay, so the transport layer that supports communication between diverse devices across diverse networks. And there is an application layer. So application layer represents the data to the user plus encoding and dialog control. So in application layer part, that is mainly comprises with the 3 basic layers of the upper side of the OSI layers. The upper layers are the application, the presentation. Okay, session, presentation, and application make up the application layer. Transport layer has not been changed. It has been just in make it intact. The network layer has been just change the name of this internet. It's like internet because this model basically used in the internet arena. And the network access comprises with the backbone of the network, that means the transmission side, that means physical layer, and also the data link layer will comprise the network access. So that is going to be the main part of TCP/IP protocol suite. So in the TCP/IP protocol suite, as you can see here, I have told you before that there are 2 hosts. There are 2 hosts right there. There are 2 hosts. They want to connect with each other in the TCP/IP protocol suite. Here you can see that these two there's a tab, and there is a personal computer used by another destination user. If it's a source user that wants to put the mail through to that, there is a path that the path creates with this network access. So that is basically the data link layer, and the physical layer is this part. So that is the internet, that is network access that this layer will work through. And for that we have to go through to the network layer, the transport layer, and the application layer. This application layer is just the PC that they are using, this tablet that they're using. But if they use the network internet connections, that is dependent on the transport and internet layer. These 2 layers are responsible for that. So that's basically the thing of the TCP/IP protocol suite. Now for that particular thing, So for TCP protocol suite, as I have told you before, the application presentation and session layers are on the part of the application layer. The transport layer is intact here. The network layer will go through the internet. The data link and physical layer will make you the network access. So these the thing. These are the things that protocol suite will go further. Now there is a TCP protocol suite. So today today TCP/IP is taught as a 5-layer model. As you can see, there is a 5-layer model with the layers named similarly to the ones in the OSI model. So original layers are like the hardware device, network interface, internet, transport, application, and there are 5-layer model as you can see here in the TCP/IP protocol. So just hardware devices are made to be the physical and data link layer. That means the network access layer has been just split over with the data link and physical, because we want to just understand the hardware devices and network interface through the eye of the OSI model system, just like that. To the you can say the to the theory of that, that we are really, what can you say, comfortable in that particular point. So these are some several protocols that we have to use, that which protocol is used in which part. So if you want to compare between OSI and TCP/IP model, so there is a large application model that comprises the application presentation and session layers. So these are the several application protocols. These are known as application protocols. On the transport side, there are several transport protocols. The internet protocol and IP protocol is basically go through to the network protocols, network layer, and data link layer and physical layer both has been underlying LAN and WAN technology in the IP protocol suite. So the comparison between OSI and TCP/IP. So the comparison between OSI and TCP/IP is, there are two reasons why they mentioned for the decision. First, TCP/IP has more than one transport layer protocol. So some of the functionalities of the registration layer are available in some of the transport layer protocols. So that need not to address any kind of session layer into the physical domain or application domain. And secondly, the application layer is not only the on piece of software. Many applications can be developed at this layer. So there are some developer section on the TCP/IP layers. Now these are the layers that how that we can make a connection. There is a LAN or WAN connection that has been connected through to this network. So each of the network that creates a link, as you can see. So a link is a network that allows a set of computers to communicate each other. So each of the physical bounded layers has some links. That is the data link layer that I have told you before. So that will create a link. Okay, our imaginary internet that is used to show the purpose of each layer. So we want to show the purpose of each layer. There are some routers that has been also connected to some links. So that is basically our way to understand the connection, that how the connection will be made. So first of all, the physical layer in TCP/IP does not define any specific protocol. In this, at this level, the communication is between two hops or nodes, either a computer router, and they will communicate with just a bits. Okay, the stream of bits. As you can see, when the connection establishes, the physical layer will just send the stream of bits to the router, and all the destination computers and links are, when the network has been established through this link from link 1 to link 6, we just get to know the sequence, that the destination and the source are like that in a bit stream model.